God, that's amazing. Holy crap. Hey guys, it's Lauren. You might know me from my Instagram at Lauren Francis Hair. So this is it's called Studio Glow Cordless Professional Makeup Lighting. And it is supposed to turn any mirror into a professional makeup mirror. So I want to see if it works. The box looks super cool. I've been seeing ads for this everywhere. But my bathroom lighting is not the best. So, I mean, it's very bright, but it just doesn't, when I'm doing my makeup, it doesn't like hit in the right spots. So that sounds like a really cool thing that this is gonna help with. So I'm excited. Okay, so I just took off the packaging. This is what it looks like. You can see it up close. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs. They're like little plastic, they're kind of like ping pong balls almost, but they're bigger, shiny, but so this is like a chrome appearing textured material. It's probably plastic, like a plastic sticker that looks like chrome, which is fine because you're not going to be really, you know, bringing it a bunch of places where it's going to get scratched up. If you scratch this though, it'll kind of look fake and reveal that it's a little bit plastic. So and then let's look at the back. So the back has these little suctions, which is gonna help it stick to the mirror, so that way you don't have to have a cord or anything. And it looks like it takes batteries, which is fine. I usually like plug-in stuff because I don't have to buy batteries, but honestly, since you're gonna be turning it on and off, and you're not gonna be leaving it on for long periods of time, just kind of while you're doing your makeup or your hair, batteries is probably just fine. It's probably gonna last you a really long time. So it takes 1, 2, 3, it looks like 4 AA batteries, which everybody already has lying around anyway, so that's super easy. And this, you don't have to have a screw or anything to take it on and off, which is nice because that's a pain in the ass. Let's see. And it's so simple to put back on. Okay, so it also has these little holes right here. So that means you could probably screw it to a wall if you wanted to make it a little bit more permanent as well, and just take it on and off as needed to change the batteries. This is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna head to the bathroom. I'm in natural window light right now because I think this is the best light possible. So I'm gonna head into the bathroom, turn this puppy on, and see what it is compared to window light. So thanks for watching, check it out. So it's completely dark right now in my bathroom. I don't want to mix it with any other light, so you can see exactly what it looks like with just this one light bar. So here we go, I'm gonna turn it on. Not bad. Oh my God, that's amazing. Holy crap. That looks so good. It lights up my face so well. It actually makes me look kind of good looking, and God, we all know that's not true. Holy crap. I love it. And that's one light bar. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. And there it is. See, look, it's completely dark in my bathroom except for this light. That's freaking phenomenal. And there's the on-off switch right there. It's a little bit loose on the mirror, but again, you're not gonna be touching it a bunch, so it doesn't really matter that much. And then also, see how it's crooked? Thank God this is not like a permanent type of light, because if I really messed up the way that I applied that, it's okay. I can just take it off and do it again. Okay, let's turn it back around. So this is insane. I am amazed. I really thought, oh, this is gonna be kind of a cheap product. It's not gonna work very good, but we'll try it out anyway. No, this is actually pretty awesome. So let's see what it looks like when I put my bathroom light on with this light as well. Right now we just did it in the dark, so let's try it with just my normal bathroom light and this. I'm gonna come over here, flip the switch. Okay, so now my normal bathroom light is on, and this. Cool, so this gives it like a little bit more of a warm feel if you have both of them on. Yeah, I could definitely tell that my bathroom lights are a little bit warmer than this light. So that's kind of nice though, because a lot of times bathroom lighting just makes you look so bad. So I'm gonna turn this off. So this is just my bathroom light. And then this is my bathroom light with the light bar. So that adds like a little bit of just illumination to the face, which is so awesome when you're doing your makeup. I'm so excited to use this, it's great. So off, on. Looks so good. I think my favorite is using it just completely in the dark with just that light bar. So I would probably get a few of these just to test it out. Just put them like in a little ring around the mirror and just go to town with your makeup. It's probably gonna be awesome. So cool. And again, this is called the As Seen on TV Studio Glow Cordless Professional Makeup Light. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think if you have tried this in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.